Hi everyone! Today we're going to be unboxing a gift that Tete has given me. So, it is pretty heavy. So I will be using my scissors to open this because it is totally wrapped in tape. I know that she gave me a book, which really inspired her 70 Fierce Years. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, here's the book. Let me open this. Oh my God, this is amazing. I think this is the Katya and Andre letter. Oh, as well as a bunch of ephemera. Thank you so much. Oh, look at this. It's so neatly organized. Okay, so here's the Katya and Andre thing. Here's more ephemera. Yeah, so this is all the ephemera she gave me that I can use for scrapbooking. Look at this. It's so varied and there's all kinds of stuff. Very nice. Thank you so much. Can't wait to use it in my scrapbooks. And then we have this, which is, I think, Katya and Andre's letter. And then the frontispiece for Joel. Oh, here's Katya and Andre's letter. Look. It's exactly as shown on my website, because I did have a photo of this on my website, and I will be putting this in Katya and Andre's scrapbook as well. Very nice. Actually, I'm going to put that in the scrapbook right now before I forget. This is Andre and Katya's scrapbook, so these are going to go here somewhere. Oh no. Right, these are going to go here. For now, I'll edit it. She did give me the little thing here. So I'll try using this. So I'll attach this here. right. And this will also be part of the Joel book. What is this? Oh, this is Andre's letter to Joel. So I will be putting that in Joel's book. Just a second, I'm just attaching something here. So this is Joel's scrapbook. I'm going to put these two in here somewhere. Maybe I'll just put it here for now. And finally, we have this book, which she got on eBay, and because shipping here is kind of expensive, she just gave it to me. She bought it for herself, and then she gave it to me using this method. And she included some notes at specific, very important places of the book. Though most Cossacks of host/ethnic groups were viewed as mercenary brigands, or as some would put it, rapists on a horseback, this view, while somewhat upheld by examples of, oh yeah. So we will see this in more detail. A lot of stuff about different Cossacks in different sections of the book. I can't wait to dig into this. I will certainly enjoy this. It will give me a deeper understanding of Andre and all the people that he grew up with and what kind of person he is and what kind of culture he came from. So thank you so much, Tete. This was amazing. And let me see if there's anything else. I don't think so. So it's this, that, and yeah, the letters and the book. Thank you so much. This was amazing.